My name's Jonathan Wheeler. I'm head of the child abuse team here at Burdon Kemp, and I'm also a partner with the firm.
The BBK child abuse team is dynamic. We are a team that is made up of so many bright people. There is almost a hive mind of intelligence, so it means that if anyone ever has something that they can't necessarily deal with, someone else in the team has, and they can help them out.
If I was to describe the child abuse team at Burdon Kemp, I'd say we're a passionate group of individuals who come to work each day to do the best for their clients and get the best rewards for them.
I think that when clients are looking for a lawyer, that they want someone that will really listen to the problems that they have. Different clients have different objectives, so it's really important to establish, first off from a client, what they're actually looking for, and to do your utmost to get that for them. I think they also really want somebody that they can trust and communicate with as well.
I think they want a specialist. They want someone who knows what they're talking about, someone who can advise them at the right time about what they can expect from the process. And they want a lawyer who is going to fight for them. And that is very much what we're about. We are, I sort of say, mixing my metaphors here. You know, when we have the bit between our teeth, we're like a dog with a bone. We will not let it go, and we will fight for that client, we'll fight for their corner, and we'll get them the compensation that they deserve.
I think my clients want someone who can take the burden of their case from them and bring it to a successful conclusion in the quickest time possible.
The relationship which we have with our clients, which are child abuse victims, is quite a unique relationship. Rapport is very important, and we have to be accessible to them 24/7 to feel that they have someone to talk to and discuss their issues. So on top of being a solicitor, we also have to be a kind of like a bigger brother, I suppose, for them.
I have a number of different clients from all different walks of life, at different ages. I represent children and adults, but the sorts of work that we do, it covers quite sensitive issues. So we do get to know our clients a lot better than perhaps in other areas of law.
A client outcome which stands out in my mind is a recent settlement for a client who was abused by a lifeguard at a swimming pool. I secured a settlement of £135,000 for him, and I think this helped him to move forward with his life, especially because since the abuse he'd continued to live in the area he had been when the abuse occurred, and this money would help him make a fresh start in a different area.
A client outcome that stands out in my mind is an individual who was worried that he would never be fixed. Those were his words, and he would always say, "Do you think I'll be fixed? Do you think I'll be fixed?" And then once we got a good settlement for him, and we had a report from the medical legal expert who confirmed that with some therapy he would be able to lead a normal life, he was really happy, and the change in him was dramatic.
I know that working for victims of child abuse actually makes a difference, a positive difference to their lives. I know that unfortunately I can't do anything to change their past, but I can certainly help them attain a better future.
I'm passionate about obtaining justice for victims of abuse. We do that at Burdon Kemp. We take on cases that perhaps other firms aren't willing to do, and we take on the difficult cases, and we don't shy away from pushing at the boundaries of the law, and that's something we've been doing for the last 10 or 15 years.
Why do I get out of bed to do this every day? Well, I think that I'm extremely passionate about this area of law and about the clients that we're representing. We only represent survivors of abuse. We don't represent paedophiles, we don't represent the institutions that employed them. We're definitely on the side of the angels here, in my view, where we're doing the right thing. We're actually getting the right results for the right people, and we're fighting their corner. And I think, you know, this is a firm which has taken test cases to the House of Lords, to the Court of Appeal, to change the law. And if that doesn't put fire in your belly as a lawyer, I don't know what does.